It's a certified 2015 Ram 2500. This 2500 makes short work of tough situations. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, metallic paint, heavy-duty shocks, rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend elaborates, clearly there's something for everyone on the new heavy-duty Ram. It looks better, it's got more features, it's got more power, and it can tow and haul more than ever before. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
For service, selection, and value, choose Armory Garage. Stop in today and check us out. We are conveniently located at 926 Central Avenue in Albany, New York.